Here I've got a 2009 or 2010 aluminum specialized rock hopper comp with 26-inch wheels, a RockShox Dart suspension fork, and a Shimano Alivio 3x9 drivetrain. This bike isn't bad, it was just ridden a lot and never really serviced. So we're going to clean it up and see what lies underneath. Okay. What's up? First of all, the front brake cable was routed very strangely. The brakes could use some adjustment, and the headset cap could be painted to look like new. I usually don't work on mechanical brakes, but they seem to be working pretty well with what I was doing here. Yeah. The brakes tightened it fine, and they were working strong. Now let's get to painting the headset cap. I pre-sanded the headset cap just to make sure the paint wasn't too smooth for the new paint to stick on. As a rule of thumb, I always do a few light layers and then some thicker layers, followed by some more light layers, just to make sure that the paint is layered on nicely and it doesn't run at all. Now let's bolt on the headset cap, and with that, we're done.